Elaine Shauger here, APS, a Perfect Swing Academy. Do you see that video up there with Dan in the white pants and the black shirt? This book, How to Kill a Ball, works with that video. We have 26 videos that works with this book here, How to Kill the Ball book. You're learning everything from Daniel R. Shauger. This is his book he wrote. And all the books and all the DVDs and membership are all of Daniel Shauger's words. It's his company. He's completely different from the whole golf world. So come and study our swing and learn how to hit the golf ball off the right side of the hip. And do not do wide stance, for we can do those hills up and down. Again, I put out some videos. That's a series 2 that works with this book here, How to Kill the Ball book, series 2. And that's DVD number 1 with Daniel with the black shirt and white pants. It works with this book. It's the first DVD. It's for beginners. That's why he made one for beginners to study. But I really want everybody to start with the short game. You learn that half shot like Daniel R. Shauger trained you. You never have to pay for lessons again because you hit it straight down the fairway. No more right-left shots. No more back pain. Next one is the pole and rope drill. You learn that pole drill, shift and turn to the right like Daniel Shauger shows you. And then the next one is the rope and pole drill. The rope drill is the heels up and down, knees back and forth, elbows back and forth. Stand like you're standing in the line of a grocery store. We do not want wide stance, and we do not want you swinging fast. The next one I want you to study is the Little Club DVD. These are Daniel R. Shauger's words, not Mike Alston's. I interviewed Mike Alston, sweet man. We talked about several